In this math lesson 3.4, they are using modeling to solve these math problems. Now their modeling is a little bit different than the modeling we are learning in my class. We are going to use the Singapore model drawing version to solve these problems. And here is an example to show you what our classroom model looks like. 3 groups of students are taking drum lessons. There are 8 students in each group. How many students are taking lessons in all? First step was to read the entire problem. Next step is to underline the question. So they want to know how many all together. The next thing we need to do is write our statement. There are students taking lessons. Okay? Now we need to identify the who and the what. Who is there? There are 3 groups of students. The students is the who. And what are they doing? They are taking drum lessons. So we have 3 groups of students that are taking drum lessons. Now we need to read each sentence after we put our unit bar. We have group, it's lessons, and we have 3 total groups of lessons. So now we need to read each question and put our question mark in place. 3 groups of students are taking drum lessons. So we've got our 1, 2, 3 groups. There are 8 students in each group. Stop. So 8, 8, 8. How many students are taking lessons in all? So question mark goes there. We want to know how many there are in all. Now we learned in previous lessons that this could be 8 plus 8 plus 8, but an appropriate multiplication sentence would look like 8 times 3 equals what? So we know that 8 times 3, or 8 plus 8 plus 8, equals 24. So the total number of students taking lessons in all is 24.